Brad Williams, XL Prime. Pivot tables and timelines. Another filtering method similar to slicers. Very straightforward. Why would we use this? Well, because we have a date here. We have a date range. That allows us to look at or filter information maybe on a quarterly or greater timeline. And here I have 500 rows of data that range from 1/1/2022 to 5/6/2022. We can filter this, and we just have two products here. We have prices. So how do we do this? We go to Insert Filters Timeline. Insert Filters Timeline. We're not in the pivot table. This is what's going to happen. Get back in the pivot table. Go to Timeline and Ordered, and that's it. That's the filter, and the way it works is you slide this back and forth, and you can slide it to here, down to a monthly timeline. If you grab it at its end, or just grab January, you can see the change. Go to February. It's just another method. Now, what if you threw a slicer in here? Well, let's see what happens. Insert slicers. I don't know. Let's take a look. You want products and customers? We can look here. How about existing customers? 26-inch bikes. I guess a timeline would be appropriate. So how about insert slicer? And do we have total order customer product units total? Well, how about if we do this, new 26-inch bike wheel in February? There you go. But this is hard to follow. It really is. If you're going, well, now we have a timeline. We're looking at January. It doesn't show January. You probably could filter that. And then you go existing 27-inch bike tire. Well, there's in January, there clearly are no bike tires. Bike wheels, existing, new. Right click, remove customer. Right click, right click. Sometimes it works. Remove product. And now we just have the timeline. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.